Hi, I'm Ash, and I've tested over the last few years a good few of these mattresses, these smart mattresses with memory foam built in. I've included ones like the Octaspring Scirocco from Dormeo, which is this one, which I opted with in the end, against ones like the Simba Pro and the Simba Luxe. But I've been sent and contacted by a company called Sleepy Owl, who have kindly gifted and sent me this one for review, but I want to see if it will allow me to get a better night's sleep, whether it will flatten out the dips which you often get after a few years with many types of beds, whether it's spring or not, and find out whether it will be a better night's sleep, a more comfortable sleep, and just give you my honest opinion on it. So without further ado, let's unbox it, let's roll it out, see how long it takes to unravel itself, and see what a good night's sleep should be like. Now, I've not heard of this company before, Sleepy Owl, but they just reached out to me anonymously and sent it through for an honest review. So the first thing I can tell you is this is quite heavy, and they've sent me their 10 centimeter thickness versions. They've got 3 different thicknesses, and this is for a king size bed. Let's get into it. I should say at this point that it is a foam mattress topper. Okay, important. Before first use, FAQs. How long should I wait for the opening? Well, we're going to test that one. Your mattress topper is compressed and vacuum packed for ease of delivery. When you unpack your mattress topper, it will regain its original shape in approximately 9 hours. Woo, and be ready to sleep on in 24 hours. Oh. I was going to sleep on it tonight, but okay. Does it smell? Yes, at first. Okay. Do you need to rotate it? The topper should be turned over. You may rotate the topper top to bottom, and this recommended every 3 months. Any maintenance? Nope. Is the cover machine washable? The cover can be washed using a 40-degree setting or lower. Please hang dry or tumble dry in a low setting. How long will it take to get used to the topper? 2 to 3 days. Can I use an electric blanket? They don't recommend it. Can memory foam be washed? No. What is HydroCool technology? HydroCool technology is a temperature regulating technology. That's good to hear. HydroCool foam, fabrics, fibers and coatings are specifically designed materials. Oh, wait a minute. We get a little key ring. How's about that? It's a little owl. Okay, so in here is a tiny little blade in there so that you don't, as I've done if you watch one of my previous videos, slice through the packaging and into your new mattress or mattress topper. So that's very useful to have because I have definitely done that. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. Definitely comes tightly packed. It looks pretty cool. Looks nice. It's nice colour. That's grey. It's got these dots all over it. I'm not quite sure whether they are. I don't know what they are. Okay, so there's no way you're pulling that out. So that must be why they've given us this thing. I'm going to go in here. Oh, that was close. Oh, okay, once you get it going, that's pretty good. You can see it's already trying to start unravel. And I'm going to put this on a time lapse for you so you can see it as well. It's already unraveling itself. Okay. So it's definitely a king size. Comes with a nice embroidered Sleepy Owl little logo in there. It is, even though that's just unsealed, it's still vacuum packed at the moment. It's still very slim. But I can already tell you that it does have the elastic on each corner, and it has these little dots, which I think are grippy dots. So that's why you can't turn it over, because they're the grippy dots on one side and the soft part, the cotton part on the other side. There's also a zip all the way around, which will allow you to take the cover off and wash it. So as soon as I use this trusty tool again, I think it's gonna start expanding. It would be good if other companies gave you something like this little tool. Definitely makes life a little bit easier. And you can already see that it's starting to expand. This is going to be very high, this bed. Gotta say, at first look, it does look to be nice quality. And here's the part I was telling you about. This is the underneath with the straps. But it's overhanging that side, it's overhanging that side, it's up to the head part there, the headboard, and it overhangs on that side. So at the moment, it's pretty big compared to a king size mattress, but we'll see. I think maybe once it's strapped down and we've got the covers over it, we may be able to get a little bit of a different take on it. Anyway, let's leave it there. Let's wait till it's fully unraveled itself and come back to it after a good night's sleep. So what's my first impressions then? Well, this is the thickest one that they do. It has definitely a memory foam type feel to it. It feels like a really nice quality. This cotton top that it has is really nice. These straps are, I gotta say, very well designed because you can see how much this is pulling on my really deep mattress and they're really strong. So credit to those. I mean, they are not coming off. They're not just gonna rip off. So even if you have a very deep mattress, this is going to hold on there very strongly. It doesn't smell, So although it says that it will smell, I pick up a lot of things with like smells, and it didn't smell. So that was a good sign. It certainly didn't take 24 hours, and I did sleep in it. So yes, I would say it's pretty much ready to go almost out of the box. Give it an hour or so. That time lapse was over 3 hours. So yeah, I think it's pretty much ready to go. They're just being a bit cautious with their rating. So what's the key features of this then? So it's made of what they call a high-grade knitted fabric cover, which is this. It's supposed to be breathable. It's certainly washable. I really like the fact that it's got a zip here so you can take this off. A bit like the Simba pillows where you can take it off and wash it. You know, it's worthwhile being able to do that. Otherwise you're just stuck with it and you can't wash these things and you just have to replace them. So that's definitely a bonus. It has a gel foam memory and it has what they call a zero pressure sleep surface. So, and I can vouch for that because my wife and I have slept in it now for well over a week and it is brilliant. Even that's with one that has a memory foam mattress underneath it. It's a high density foam, comfortable foam, supports your body and releases pressure. I have a lower back issue and I gotta say, I've had no problems with this whatsoever. It doesn't make it any worse, that's for sure. And then it has a non-slip bottom. So here you can see these tiny little rubber dots. So it's not slipping and moving all over the place. And to be honest, with these straps, which are very sturdy, it's not moving anywhere anyway. It does look like it hangs over a bit, but once you've got your mattress cover over it, your sheet, we have the elastic ones that are elastic underneath, you wouldn't even know it was there. It just looks like an extra thick mattress. So that's breathability, memory foam, temperature control, anti-slip. So after sleeping on it for a whole week now, I've got to say that it's going to be staying on the bed. I was a bit dubious to start with because we have such a deep, thick mattress already. And yes, it is tall with this on. Perhaps if you do have a thick base, then you might want to go for the one that isn't 10 centimeters, go for the slightly less height version, because the other thing that you run into then is having to find a really deep cover for it or sheets for it, especially the elastic ones. You have to go ultra deep and they're a bit more expensive, but they do work well. It doesn't slide around for sure. I can vouch for that. It does support my back. It's definitely not creating any heat. So it's breathable is working. That's good news. And we've had some pretty warm weather here recently. It doesn't smell. The smell dissipates extremely quickly. And I didn't even smell it at all. And it fits on the bed very well. Even though it hangs over slightly, you certainly don't notice that. So the pros and cons. This is super thick. It's 10 centimeters. It's pure luxury when you lay on it. It's amazing. So 100% I'm on board with that. I like that. It reminds me of going to a plush hotel. You get in the bed and you're like, oh, that's amazing. So I'm happy with that. Would I say it's improved my sleep? Possibly, actually. I think it may have done. And if they hadn't have sent this to me, I wouldn't have even got a mattress topper. But I've got to say, I would from here onwards, A, say to people, you should get one, and B, get one for all my beds in future. It's definitely easy to set up. It comes with the tool in the bag, as you saw. And you really need that when you've got suction wrapped products like a mattress or one of these toppers, because they're really tight and you trying to get scissors in there is a nightmare. You're bound to cut it somehow. So having that tiny little tool in there, I know it sounds small, but it is a very useful little tool, and the washable cover. So they are my pros. Having those are very useful things to have. The cons, if any, it's heavy, it's not cheap. This one is over £100, but they are available from their website and on Amazon, and they sometimes have discount codes, so check those ones out. I'll link those below. Who is it for? If you've got a mattress which perhaps was a slightly less expensive mattress, or you find it's too firm, I would definitely recommend one of these. If you've got a thinner mattress, I would probably go for the thicker topper. And if you've got a thick mattress like I have, ideally you'd probably want to go for a thinner topper on it. That would make complete sense and you'll get the best out of them. So if you have a firm mattress and you want it slightly softer, a bit more luxurious, a bit more snug, then get one of these. For sure. It will potentially save you having to buy another mattress, and that can be really expensive. And it can lengthen the time you have your mattress for as well, because this one is now a couple of years old. Yes, it has the slight hump in the middle, as all mattresses get if there's two people, one lying on the left, one lying on the right. And it kind of takes that out, it flattens that out for you as well. And if you like a plush, luxurious sleeping bed, this just adds that level. You get into it and it is a lovely feeling and it's so snug all night long. You don't want to get out of bed in the morning, I've got to say. So price and value, the price on it, as I mentioned, is for this particular thickness level and the king size version. They come in all different sizes of thicknesses and obviously the regular sizes of beds from single double, king size and larger, and one in between. I think it's worth mentioning the money side. I would say actually it's good value. I've seen some pretty rubbish looking mattress toppers in my time, but this one, although I'd never heard of them, I gotta say it's a quality one. It's not a cheap one. It's not one expensive trying to be a good one. It is actually a good one. So my final thoughts are, out of 10, I would say a 9 out of 10. Because it slightly hangs over the edge, it's slightly bigger size-wise than my mattress is. I don't know whether that's because my king-size mattress isn't what it's supposed to be, or whether this is not what it's supposed to be. I did measure this and it comes out exactly as they say on the website, so I'm assuming that's my mattress issue rather than the mattress topper issue. But I was genuinely surprised at the difference that it made to my mattress. I really thought, well, I know my mattress is a good mattress, but this adds another level to it. It's not a gimmick. I have slept better and longer since adding it to our bed, and I asked my wife to see if she thought the same, and she said, yeah, I really like it, let's keep it. So that for me is a tick and a win. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please click the subscribe button. It really helps the algorithms and helps the channel to grow, and I can do more videos like this one. So have you tried a mattress topper before? That's the question I want to ask, and what were your thoughts on it? Because this one I can certainly vouch for. That's the end of this video, and on to the next review. See ya.